Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to add multiple accounts on REDnote app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm opening my REDnote app. Now you can see this is my REDnote app interface. Now to add multiple accounts on this REDnote app, on the bottom right you can see here's me. Just tap on this. And over here you can find this is the profile which I am currently logged in. Now to add multiple accounts, just tap on the settings over here, and over here you can find multiple options. Just swipe up and over here you can see here is Streets account. Just tap on this and over here you can see here is option of add account. Just tap on this and over here you can log into your next account. So in this way, we can add multiple accounts on REDnote app. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.